Presenting Project Old School, a masterfully reimagined ECD custom Range Rover Classic, commissioned to reflect timeless elegance with modern refinement. Finished in a radiant full-gloss Cornish cream, accented with rich black detailing, this heritage icon evokes sophistication with every curve and contour. Beneath its striking exterior, 18-inch Land Rover sawtooth wheels wrapped in BFG all-terrain tyres offer a commanding presence and confident ride. A nod to its origins, the OEM-style front bumper and LED headlights blend classic British design with contemporary functionality. Inside, tradition meets tailored luxury. The cabin features an Evander steering wheel and bespoke ECD Range Rover-style gauges, set against a backdrop of meticulously crafted custom wood panelling in the rear load area. OEM-style seats offer both familiarity and refinement, each expertly wrapped in horizontal Relicate natural caramel leather, hand-stitched in sumac, a warm, sophisticated touch that elevates the entire interior. Under the hood, Old School is driven by a GM V8 engine, 50-state compliant, and paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering classic power with modern reliability. For the contemporary driver, Project Old School includes a suite of elevated amenities, a touchscreen infotainment system, Infinity Kappa sound, Apple CarPlay, and USB connectivity, seamlessly integrated for modern convenience without compromising the vehicle's iconic character. This is more than a restoration. It's a resurrection of refined legacy, tailored, timeless, and unapologetically bespoke. Commission your classic, drive a legend, redefined.